Here's a run through of a 0808. It's a very pretty original condition. So you take a look. Okay, first common bedroom. Okay, facing the corridor. Built-in. No built-ins in the living room. Flooring is ceramic. Okay, the second bedroom built-in as well. No air cons. Kitchen. Okay. Here is the single toilet. Okay. And kitchen. Okay, and the final one is the utility room. This is the extra room that is added in. Okay, well, it's on the 8th floor, so quite nice views front and back. Okay, so we have it. Here we run through back again from the kitchen. Sink area. And the living area.